Now, I don't know about you guys, but if you've been watching YouTube lately, a lot of things have changed. Like all these YouTubers used to talk about all the real estate developments they did, or the SaaS programs they used to work on, or their funnel clicks that they want you to go through. It seems like all their attention is now on what? Crypto. Isn't that funny? Now, I've been talking crypto for years. Even in my older channel, there's videos of me talking about crypto from 2017. That's right. And I've had a few other crypto channels that just kind of didn't pan out during the bear market. But as we continue to go, I even streamed live during the bear market in 2018 and 19 on my other channel. So I've been pushing crypto for a long time, and it's funny to see a lot of big time YouTubers coming into crypto now. Alex Becker, someone who I actually don't mind at all, actually like his content, think he's quite interesting, and he's very successful, so I can't hate. It's like he knows that's the trend and he doesn't want to be left out. So he's going to push the crypto trend as well.
I'm not the world's greatest crypto expert. If you look at the equation that's being set up here, it's really nasty what's probably going to happen in my opinion. Well, I'm not a master trader right now. I feel the insights have allowed me to make a lot of money in crypto right now, but I think it's very important that you look at this with a pessimistic view.
He actually has some good calls on his channel. I think he got into storage, STORJ, at not a bad price. He's made close to maybe $1 million or more. We all know he has a fat bank, so it's not that hard for him to flip a few $100,000 into $1 million with some altcoins. It's funny, he's yelling at everybody, don't buy Bitcoin, buy these altcoins. The problem is, eventually you need to hold a little bit of Bitcoin. These altcoins go up, go down, go up, go down. They pump, they dump. They have ups and downs. Now, in a bull market, you do want to hodl some alts. I'm telling you right now. But I like to keep, 20 to 40% of my portfolio in Bitcoin. That is also completely up to you, as I am not a financial advisor. Now, as you look at YouTube and all these different YouTubers talking about cryptocurrency, it just blows my mind.
I'm not some advanced trader. I'm not a master of technical analysis.
Alex Becker would never even mention Bitcoin, barely even get into altcoins. It's just funny to see him doing deep dives. Like he's going into the small cap gems and learning how he can flip cryptocurrency. As much as this is a joke and I could poke fun of Alex for jumping in on my trend, I think it's a milestone for all of us. It's a big deal when these giant YouTubers, people with huge followings, start pushing millions of people into our space. He's telling all his followers how easy it is to make hundreds of thousands of dollars trading altcoins. That's something that's becoming mainstream. That's what we need. Eventually, all our bags will be pumped to the moon. So Alex, if you're watching this, if you saw your name in the title and felt, hey, I had to click on this, thank you so much, man. You're pumping my bags and all of us crypto guys, and we really appreciate it. Please continue to make crypto content every single day. In fact, stop making any other content. As you know, crypto is the best content anyway. Please don't stop making crypto content because we know, number one, you're great at content. We all love your woke, beautiful face.
Not hype from what I should be looking at as real and how I should be thinking and what I should be really viewing the market as.
And we want to see more of it. And we love that you're pushing multiple age groups into cryptocurrency because I believe you have a broad plethora of people that watch your channel. So Alex, thank you so much. Graham Stevens also jumping on the crypto bandwagon. A lot of these different people and YouTube personalities have all of a sudden become crypto gurus. It's funny, overnight, they know exactly what coin to buy and exactly how to get in. Now, I'm actually not offended. I'm actually extremely happy for this. And as I said before, I believe this is a milestone for cryptocurrency, where cryptocurrency trend has blasted through all the other trends. Now, a lot of these people were trendsetters in their own right. They were some of the first people to do some of the things they were doing online, and they've already created a great following, and they've already set some trends. The fact that they're bending a knee to the crypto trend lets me know that all of us crypto lifers are on the right path, and my channel is blessed and ready to go to the moon. So if you want to come to the moon with me, guys, please join my Telegram in the link below. Hit the link to my Patreon and learn what it's like to become a crypto lifer. I'm going to teach you when and how to sell Bitcoin at the top using the Pi cycle. We're going to find out where the market's going up and down every single day. We're going to study Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance, total and total 2. I'm going to give you a whole package of the world. I'm going to teach you about Uniswap, Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView and set up technical analysis so you can buy at the proper place on the daily and the 4-hour chart. We're going to give you the tools you need to become successful in crypto. If that's something that gets you excited, then please hit the link below and become a crypto lifer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life. Peace, Alex.